Hey guys, welcome back again in MUO Sigma classes. So in the previous video हम लोगों ने लॉगिन पेज को ही साइन अप पेज में कन्वर्ट करके तो डेमोस्ट्रेशन के लिए सिर्फ हमने लॉगिन पेज को यूज़ कर लिया था, बट अभी साइन अप पेज को थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करेंगे हम एंड देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से हम कुछ फील्ड्स ऐड कर सकते हैं इसमें, जिससे कि हम साइन अप के बाद लॉगिन प्रोसेस के थ्रू हम डैशबोर्ड पे जा पाएँ। कुछ UI है जिसको हम सेटअप करेंगे एंड कुछ UI अगर रिक्वायर्ड होगा तो हम उसे डाउनलोड करेंगे फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट एंड देन हम उसे अपने React.js में सेटअप करेंगे। तो एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू साइन अप पेज। So here we have this sign up page and this is the code where we are making a API call and this is the UI overall. So we have this div, all right, this div. So it's a one field, it's indicating one field. So as of now we have this username field and the password field. So what we want to make it here, so I want to add some other fields also. As of now we have email, password, so I'll make a confirm password field and we will make the first name, last name and the mobile number. Alright, so I want to add some more fields in this. So as of now we have email and password. I will add confirm password also and we will validate here only in the client. So using React.js, we will basically validate password and confirm password field. Okay, and we will see some standards, how we can basically maintain our standards also. So I'll add the confirm password, first name, last name, and if possible we will add the address also. As of now we have this only. So let me just copy the code like this, copy, and first of all I'm making confirm password. Password is required, यहाँ पर मैं लिखूँगा confirm password is required and here we will have confirm and then password. So I have to make it here like this, confirm password, set confirm password like this, correct. and set confirm password, we have to make it like this, set confirm password, perfect. And we have to make it confirm password, type should be password, name should be confirm pass, correct. Class name is good here. Let me just give me a second. Perfect. Let me see my UI. Yes, so you can see here we have this confirm password and the password field. Alright, perfect, correct. So now we have to validate it. So for example I'm writing here hey, or let's say I'm writing here some random password KJ. Alright, and if I'm writing something different here, so it should validate, it should tell you that confirm password should be same as password. So we can make it dynamic, not dynamic, it's a real time, like it's a similar like real time. Whenever we are writing something here, we should validate this when we are writing here. Alright, so let me just give you example. This will be best approach to you. So here whenever we are changing anything, we are basically using set confirm password, right? So we will not do this, we will basically call a function here. So let's say the function will be let's say check validation, let's say this one only. So I'll make this check validation function on the top. Yes, so I'll make here after the sign up function. Okay, so check validation, this will be the function. All right, and let me make it const, and let's like this. All right, let me put like this here, and here we will have key parameter, and we have to check. So इस जगह पर गाइज अगर आप वैलिडेशन करते हैं, इट मीन कि आप ये फंक्शन कॉल कर रहे हैं, अगर आप ये फंक्शन यहाँ पर कॉल कर रहे हैं ऑन चेंज के अंदर, तो जैसे ही आप पहला टेक्स्ट इसमें लिखेंगे, कोई भी कैरेक्टर एंटर करेंगे, सो ये वैलिडेट करेगा, हर टाइम वैलिडेट करेगा आपको. सो कॉन्स्ट, नॉट कॉन्स्ट, मुझे डिस्ट्रक्चर करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. हमारे पास यहाँ पर पासवर्ड नाम की फील्ड है. पासवर्ड इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू let's say we will have the equals and this one, this, perfect. We'll set this value. All right, and let me just check once because this will not set. Actually we have to make it top, and we have to check it. Confirm password with confirm password. Let me check confirm password. Right, perfect. And we have to maintain the error label also. So for this we can make something like this, is error, okay, and set is error, like this. So now we have to make here set error. Using this we can basically maintain here like this. Confirm password should be match with password. ठीक है, करेक्ट. तो सबसे पहले चेक करते हैं भाई क्या सीन है. तो उसके लिए पहले तो भाई हमको एक लेवल बनाना पड़ेगा. सबसे पहले अगर लेवल बनाए हम यहाँ पर, तो ये फॉर्म हो गया हमारा, और फॉर्म के जस्ट ऊपर बनाते हैं अभी एक लेवल.
But before that, we have to make it. We have width 100%.
30. Yeah. So now we have C. Okay, let's make it 330, and so now you can see here this error label, right? So we have to fetch the data from is error, right? Perfect. So now if I'm writing something here KNJB, and if I'm writing something K and something like this, the error is not here, so we have to check it. What is the problem right now? What is the problem now? This, okay, so if this will basically, you know, we have to make a check like this here. If not, then we will set the error something like this and something like this. So now you can see we are getting confirm password should be matched with password. This is the error now we have. All right, so let me make it as of now 250. As of now, just making here like this. So if I'm writing like this, and you can see this error. So I'm putting, so अभी मैं यहाँ पर same password रखता हूँ. It's a KN and KN. So now you can see अभी भी हमारे पास ये जो error है वो दिख रहा है, right? So we have to make a different check here. Else part में हमें इसे blank भी करना होगा. Alright. ब्लैंक कर देते हैं. एंड नाउ लेट मी जस्ट चेक वंस अगेन, KN KN एंड KN KN. ठीक है, बट नथिंग इज हैपेंड हियर, nothing has happened. So first of all I have to put a check here in confirm field first. Confirm field है ये, yes this is a confirm field. Whenever we are changing something, so ये function validate करेगा. ठीक है, but we have to check. Let me just make it like this. So अभी check करते हैं. Let's say we have a KN KN and we have K, then you can see confirm password should be matched with password. Then N K N, जैसे ही मैंने इक्वल पासवर्ड कर दिया, जैसे कि पासवर्ड एंड confirm पासवर्ड की फील्ड सेम हो गई, वैल्यू सेम हो गई, देन देखिए लेबल चला गया. अगर मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्रिंट करता हूँ, अगर मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डालता हूँ उसमें, तो देखिए यहाँ पर फिर से आता है confirm password should be matched with password. करेक्ट. सो आई होप गाइज आपको समझ में आया होगा. सो नाउ यू कैन सी गाइज हाउ वी कैन बेसिकली validate fields in React.js. Alright, so ये तो हो गया हमारा confirm password और ये हो गया password. We have the email, we have to make the first name and the last name वाली field बनानी पड़ेगी हमें. So we have this div, just copy this